This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Spark. This compact has a 4-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, voice recognition, Chevrolet MyLink, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.